Okay, and then I think pretty much that's all. And yeah, we can go to the original time step and let's run. Okay, and you see now under calculated we have ASP float and tracer, and now we have tracer 1 and tracer 34. Let me pause. Now we are currently at, time step 23. The well hasn't been converted into an injector, so there is no change right now. But later, you will see tracer injected from well 1 after the time step 32, when the well is converted to be an injector. Okay, let's continue. Let's wait until time step 32, 31, 32. Now you see, right? A change of color, and you can see the palette as well, the concentration of the tracer. At the same time, you can also show bubble map. Okay, you can look at the flow rate there. Okay, and this is the index, liquid rate, oil rate, and so on and so forth. If you want, if you want to see the bubble map, but if not, just untick and you see. This is your tracer. And we can also check the tracer from, well, injector 34 just by moving to this one. So we have tracer 1 and tracer 34. Very easy, right? And we can also create user map here. I want to know, I want to see both tracer 1 and tracer 34. So we use here tracer underscore water underscore 1. That's the keyword. Tracer, not the keyword, but that's how we type in the the code so that the navigator will understand. And then tracer underscore water and 34, and then click on apply to map, and you can see both. Okay, so tracer here usually indicates actually the water that is injected. Okay, so imagine that all the water that you inject, you put somehow tracer with concentration of 1 in that water, so that using this, you can monitor the movement, the migration of your water, which is the tracer. Okay, so the water itself is the tracer. Okay, and then what else? We can also create profile. I think profile is useful here. Profile, or let's first make cross section. I want to see the difference between cross section and profile. Let's start our cross section from, well, this one, and just click this one